camera. Shreya. Shabash. Sanskriti. Vishnu. All right. So friends, we will be doing all these sessions on science, computers in English. All of you are in class 3rd, 5th, 7th, 8th. But by doing everything in English, we learn language which helps us by learning ourselves. YouTube, Google, books, talking to new people. We agree, Anish, that English helps us? Anish? Anish, you are on mute. All right. So what is the first question you have for me today? Aditya, Vishnu, anybody has a question for me?
सर वैक्सीन खोज पहले चीन ने की थी.
Please say that again, Aditya.
सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वैक्सीन की खोज किसने की थी?
तो बताओ वैक्सीन की खोज किसने की थी? किसी को पता है?
सर मेरे सर एडवर्ड जेन.
Who said that? Edward Jennings? Hello? Who said Edward Jennings? That is correct answer.
Sir, I said.
Very good. Okay. Now please tell us, how did Edward Jennings discover vaccine? Who will tell me that? Will somebody try? Okay. So let me give one small example. Many years ago, people in UK, England, United Kingdom, they found that the people who are working with cows, they will not get smallpox. Do you all know what is smallpox?
Yes, yes.
What is smallpox, bete?
Sir, it's a type of disease. It's also similar to the chicken pox.
Yes. Has anybody seen pictures of smallpox? Okay, I will show you. Okay. 1 second, I will show you. One second. All right. So let's go to Google, Uncle. And from Google, Uncle, we see what is a smallpox. Okay, bete, smallpox. Can you all see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Shabbat.
Yes, sir, we can.
Now, can you see this hand can you see this small baby with so many of these small pimples on his body? Can you all see this? So,
Yes, sir.
so this disease also used to spread very fast. Whole village will get this disease. You will get very high fever, and most likely people will die. So Jennings saw those people who work with the cows don't get this smallpox. Okay, bete. So he was a scientist. He realized that when you work with the cows, and cows also have a disease called cowpox. Okay, now let me show you cowpox.
Sir, like cowpox and smallpox are enemies of each other.
No, once let me come back to that bit, because see now those vaccines, They come from a, see, these are the bread, teats of a cow, and they used to get this cowpox. And this cowpox virus, because the people who are working with the cows, when they used to get exposed to this cowpox virus gave them some amount of body resistance towards the cowpox. You follow this, Bete? Now the logic?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, Bete. So when he found that all those milkmen who were working with the cows and the cows were getting cowpox, okay, Bete. So with this, they realized that we can develop a vaccine. So in short, vaccine is something which we give to our body, and our body realizes, oh, this is a new thing which is attacking me, and now I have to prepare to fight against it. So when a small dose of a virus is given, so at that time our body fights with it, and by fighting against a very small dose, our body learns how to attack and win. Everybody with me till now, bete?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bete. So essentially the principle of smallpox is very simple,
Yes, sir.
that the same virus, if it comes to us with big army, our body does not know how to fight it for the first time, and sometime we lose that war. But if the same virus is injected into us in a very small amount, then our body says, all right, I now know how to fight with you. And body now becomes wise and smart, and it develops the knowledge how to fight that virus. Is this simple? Are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bete. So in simple words,
Yes, sir.
virus, vaccine is the same virus which has been killed, neutralized, attenuated. इसको हम साइंस में बोलते हैं. ओके बेटे? तो when that attenuated virus, dead virus, इंजेक्शन डाल के हमारी बॉडी में लगाते हैं, and our body says, hey, what is this? What is this new thing which has come? Then in our body, our defense mechanism, our immune system surrounds that dead virus. Then they study it. Then they learn what are its properties. And then they develop antibodies. What are antibodies, bete? Guess karo, antibody क्या होता है? एंटीबॉडी तो डिफेंस के जो सोल्जर होते हैं ना, फर्ज किया ऑन आवर बॉर्डर द एनिमी कम्स, अटैक्स अस, सो एनिमी इज द वायरस. ऑल राइट, देन वी से व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, हु आर दीज पीपल, वेयर दे हैव कम फ्रॉम. Okay, they have come to occupy our country. All right, then we tell Air Force, Army, Navy, they organize, they go and they attack. So same thing happens in our body also. When a virus comes in, so our body says, who is this? What is this? Sometimes the virus is new, like COVID-19, first time. So our body was lost. Our body did not know because it didn't know what is COVID-19. So it took some time. Then the scientist also told our body, this is COVID-19. It has got this structure. This is how it is made. And then we gave same COVID-19 vaccine, small amount into our body. Now when our body got it, it says, oh, this is COVID-19. Okay, to kill COVID-19, now I have got muscles. Now I did not have first because I did not know it. Now that I know this is COVID-19, I know that by making these new antibodies, I can kill COVID-19 virus. So all vaccines are when we put into our body, we introduce to our body very small number of these dead virus. Okay, if it is live, then it will kill us. Right, Harsh? Vishnu?
Sir.
Okay. So vaccine, so now, so this way, when our body gets it, small amount, it learns, adapts, makes antibodies, and now our body becomes fit. So this is one way of, but this learning takes time. Now with the new technology, when we learned what is this virus, when you will come to class 9 and 10, you will learn about RNA, DNA inside our body cell. Okay?
Sir, I am having DNA and RNA in 8th standard also.
Oh, it is in 8th standard also. Very good, Bete. Very good. So they
Sir,
see.
full form of both.
So you know both RNA, DNA, nucleus, all these things, Vishnu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell your friends little bit about RNA and DNA?
Sir, RNA is also a compound only in our cells.
Hmm.
It's a type of means acid. Its full form is ribonucleic acid, and DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid.
Shabash. I wish I could give you one big chocolate if you are in Panchkutir. So I will send chocolate to your home in Tuticorin. Okay. So you send me your address on WhatsApp and I will send you a one big chocolate, 200 grams chocolate. So now tell rest of the class, Aditya, Shreya, I want everybody to switch on their camera and listen to Vishnu. Okay, Vishnu, tell everybody what you just said. Tell it slowly so that everybody understands. Vishnu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Switch on your, everybody switch on your camera, please.
Yes. So RNA is a compound of our blood. As RNA's full form is ribonucleic acid, and DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid.
All right. So it is a part of our inside our cell structure. Cell structure. It is not in the blood bit, but all our, see, if you look at in my house, this my house is made of walls, and walls are made of bricks. More bricks you will add, bigger wall, bigger rooms you can make. So what is brick? Brick is the smallest structure by which you make a house. Everybody agree with me? ईंटों के साथ हम घर बनाते हैं, तो सिमिलरली एनी लिविंग बीइंग is made of cells. So cell is the smallest structure all living beings are made, and inside cell it has got different parts. And or what is the main difference between a cell and a brick? Aditya, what is the one important difference between a cell and a brick? Will anybody try the answer? Anish?
Hello, sir.
Beta, did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So when did you hear me last? I think somewhere the internet connection became bad.
Sir, when you asked that what is the main difference between cells and bricks?
Yes. So who will try answering main difference, one important difference between cells and the bricks?
Sir, cells are found in living organisms and bricks are non-living things.
Very important. Okay. Little bit more can you share? That is a very important difference. Living, non-living. Okay, but what I wanted to, okay, any other differences between a brick of a house and cell of a living being?
So can you?
All right, simple. Bete, can brick make one more brick of itself?
No, sir.
Cells can make themselves. Correct? Yes, Harsh. Thank you, बेटे हर्ष. You are right. एक ईंट कोई दूसरी ईंट को बना सकती है अपने आप?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
पर we start from a cell and we have a capacity जिसको हम बोलते हैं replicate ourselves. Life starts with one cell. एक के दो, दो के चार, चार के 16, 16 के 32, धीरे 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 whole body is made. Okay, बेटे. So basically what we are trying to tell you that in case of vaccines also now, एक वैक्सीन के अंदर तो हम मरा हुआ वायरस का डालते हैं, और जो दूसरी वैक्सीन हमने अभी बनाई है, क्योंकि अब हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है और साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत बढ़ गई है, तो हमने रिसर्च करके जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग आ गई है, इन पे हम वी विल टॉक अबाउट. तो हमने क्या किया, एक वैक्सीन बनाई और उस वैक्सीन के ऊपर एक चिट्ठी लिखी. ओके, एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो तो डॉक्टर हमें क्या देता है, एक कागज पे लिख के बोलता है ना, ये खाना नहीं खाना, ये दवाई खानी है, ये टकोर करनी है, वो लिख के देता है ना कागज के ऊपर. डॉक्टर कुछ लिख के देता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम इंग्लिश में?
Prescription.
शाबाश, शाबाश हर्ष, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. तो उसी प्रकार से हर्ष बेटे हमने क्या किया, एक आरएनए के ऊपर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिखी और वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख के इंजेक्शन के साथ हमने बॉडी में डाल दिया. उस प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे लिखा है कि आपको कोरोना वायरस के साथ कैसे लड़ना है. ओके, सो नाउ our body got a prescription. So once our body has got the prescription, then it knows how to prepare for that fight. All right. For example, somebody amongst you wants to make poha for breakfast, पर पोहा बनाना नहीं आता. But संस्कृति राइट्स डाउन, पहले ये लो, फिर इसको पानी में भिगो, फिर इसको कढ़ाई में डालो, फिर प्याज डालो, कांदा डालो, नमक डालो, मिर्ची डालो, तो आप पोहा बना लोगे कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो अब आपको अगर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मिल गई है, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन इज ए सीक्रेट, तो डॉक्टर लोगों ने वो सीक्रेट लेके मैसेंजर आरएनए के अंदर भी प्रकार होते हैं, वो आपको बाद में करेंगे। तो अब संक्षिप्त में बेटे दो प्रकार की वैक्सीन है। एक प्रकार की वैक्सीन विच इज ए डेड एटीन्यूएटेड वायरस which goes into our body and our body say, oh, if this thief enters my body, I know how to fight it. That is one technology. Second technology is we made, जैसे हर्ष ने क्या क्या शब्द बोला था हर्ष आपने?
Prescription, sir.
शाबाश, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन। तो हमने मैसेंजर आरएनए के ऊपर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिखी और वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिखकर इंजेक्शन लगा के उसके अंदर लाखों सेल्स के ऊपर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा हुआ है और वो हमारे रक्त के अंदर फैल गया। फिर वो जो रक्त है हमारी बॉडी के सेल्स के अंदर गया, तो हमारे बॉडी के जितने भी जिलियन बिलियन सेल्स हैं उनको ये खबर मिल गई। तो अब हमारी बॉडी को जब नॉलेज मिल गया, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मिल गया, तो अभी वो कोरोना 19 से फाइट कर सकता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो फाइन। तो अभी कोई 3-4 लाइनों में बताएगा अभी तक की समरी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया?
Science.
क्या डिस्कस किया साइंस में?
About the two types of vaccines which can be injected in our body.
So what are these two types, Vishnu?
One is that we can inject the dead cell virus, and we can wake up our cells to fight against it, or
Yeah.
we can make a vaccine can inform to RNA that what is virus is coming currently, and it can inform to all our cells, and all our cells can fight to that viruses.
Very nice, very nice. Now you all understand how vaccines they work.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now in our country we have two vaccines. Covaxin, that is made in Hyderabad. Okay,
And Covishield.
and yes, and where is Covishield made? Which place? Where is Covishield made? Pune.
Don't know, sir.
It is made in Pune. Okay, bete. So Hyderabad vaccine is made with dead COVID virus. Okay, bete. Hyderabad vaccine is made with dead. It is made with attenuated virus, and the one which is in Pune, that is made with what type? What हर्ष
Yes,
आपने
sir.
क्या बताया था? हर्ष क्या शब्द बताया?
Prescription, sir.
Prescription. So prescription, messenger RNA vaccine made in Pune, Covishield, उसके अंदर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है। तो हमारी बॉडी को जब वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाती है तो वो बोलती है ऑल राइट, नाउ आई एम फिट, नाउ आई नो हाउ टू फाइट। इज दिस क्लियर बेटे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
श्रेया, आपको समझ आया बेटे? ओके,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो कैमरास एंड अनम्यूट, ऑल ऑफ यू अनम्यूट, all of you unmute bete. Okay, that is it. Okay bete. So Anish, have you understood two types of vaccines which we discussed today? Anish bete. Aditya, आदित्य कठिन लग रहा है कि कुछ कितने कितने प्रतिशत 2 प्रकार की वैक्सीन आप बताओगे आदित्य?
क्या सर?
मैंने पूछा आज के सबक में जो हमने डिस्कस किया कैसा लगा बेटे आपको?
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
तो आज का आपने सबक से क्या सीखा बेटे?
सर हमने सीखा कि वैक्सीन 2 प्रकार की होती है।
ओके, तो अब आपको वैक्सीन से कोई डर लगेगा?
नो सर।
आपके
No,
घर
sir.
आपके घर में कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो कहता है मैं वैक्सीन नहीं लगाऊंगा?
नो सर।
अगर ऐसा आपको कोई व्यक्ति मिलेगा तो आप उससे क्या बोलोगे?
कहते कि वैक्सीन लगवाने से कोई डर नहीं होता।
वेरी गुड बेटे, वेरी
वैक्सीन
गुड।
इनका सेफ्टी के लिए होता है।
गुड, वेरी गुड। और बेटे?
और सर हम लोग का ये वायरस से लड़ भी सकते हैं वैक्सीन सुई लगवाकर।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
With the muscles.
हाँ,
With the cells and muscles.
हर्ष हर्ष दोबारा बोलो, फिर आप जो भी बोल रहे हैं।
Cells and with the cells and muscles.
बेटे, virus gives us power, but that power is not in the muscles. It gives us the power of brain, our body cells. Now they become smarter. Okay, bete. So vaccines gives us the power to fight the COVID-19, not in the muscles, but in our knowledge how to fight the enemy. Do you follow that, bete? Good. Well done, bete. All right. So we will stop here. Now I want all of you to share something which you want to share with others. So let's start with Shreya. Okay, Shreya, you can speak in Hindi also. You can speak in Marathi also, whatever you like if you want to share something. Shreya. Okay. Vishnu, will you like to share something?
No,
No, sir.
sir, actually,
Yes. Yes, Shreya, bolo.
Hello? Sir, actually, I was means today I was going to show that the cotton plants and all, but today I not got chance to go to the fields.
All right, fine. So tell us something about Tuticorin city to everybody here in this class. Wonderful.
Sir, just yesterday it
One second, one beautiful
sir, it yesterday
Vaishnavi.
rained yesterday.
Okay, go. Hello, Vaishnavi. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How is Aleppi doing today?
Sir, I'm back to Mumbai.
Oh, wonderful. Welcome to Amchi, Mumbai. So your brother is also back?
Yes, sir.
Where is he?
He's studying.
All right. So Vaishnavi, when are you going to give us your dance performance, Bharatanatyam?
I will give, sir.
We all want to enjoy and we want to appreciate what you are doing.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
So whenever you are ready, fine. So welcome back. We are very happy to have you back with us, Bete. Very nice.
Thank
of
you, sir.
Very nice. So Vishnu, over to you now. Vishnu.
Sir, actually yesterday it rained.
Okay. Anyway, tell us Tuticorin. Where is Tuticorin? What is special about Tuticorin?
Sir, Tuticorin is south side to Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
and the most special I don't know what is that, but one thing is that there is a temple.
Hmm.
In that temple we can bath in directly to the ocean. We can bath in that ocean also.
Good. Good. Very nice. Good.
But our village is like normal villages only. Can
Oh,
you see?
Beautiful, beta. It is beautiful. I can see some wheat lying on the rooftop. Solar panel. Can you all see? Can you show solar panel to everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please show them. See here. Very nice. Very nice.
Sir, it was working, but in this year I don't know what happened to this. It's
Hmm.
not working actually.
Okay. Good. Pretty good.
Something mechanical problem is there. Sir, and my this is
Sir,
my
because of rain, I think.
Yes, Harsh. You're right, Harsh, beta, because rainwater can sometime, or the clouds, if there are if there are clouds, then less power. Right. Absolutely right. Good. So Vaishnavi,
sir.
how are
Can
your
you see my
exams?
house?
Which class you have reached now, Vaishnavi, beta?
Sir, I am now in 8th standard.
Eighth. Very good. So how are your studies going?
Good, sir.
Very. Oh, okay. Shreya, how are your studies going, beta?
Good.
Good. Very nice. Anish. Hello, Anish. आदित्य, पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है?
ठीक चल रही है सर।
ओके, वीडियो ऑन करो बेटे, मेरे से बात करो। गुड, ऑल राइट। तो बेटे आज की गपशप कैसी लगी आप सब लोगों को?
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
तो बेटे अगले क्लास के अंदर ना आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बुलाना है, ओके बेटे? ओके, वैष्णवी, श्रेया,
Yes, sir.
Anish, please,
Okay, sir.
I have shared the link today. There is no password, just that link. You should invite your friends. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है, then you should invite your friends and tell them they should come here. We learn science, we learn computers, we learn English, and they can share whatever they like. Sports, hockey, football, Olympics. Maybe next Sunday we will have skipping competition in the morning. From our rooftop or in our house, we will start skipping competition. Who does the bigger? Okay. And
Okay, sir.
I have to send one chocolate to Vishnu for telling us about RNA, DNA, their functions. So Vishnu, you will have to send me your address privately to me so that I can send my small thank you chocolate to you, Vishnu. All right. So if you won't have anything, so today we discussed about the vaccine, smallpox, cowpox, building of resistance, two types of vaccines, Covaxin, Covishield, what is a prescription, what is messenger RNA, how vaccine gives us the power, not the muscle power, but the knowledge power to our body, how to fight the virus of COVID-19. And now can somebody tell me why children have not been given vaccination till now?
Because of the overdosage.
Can I try?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, actually, the dosage of vaccine can't suit the body of children. Means it's the cells are not till. So if we vaccinated now only, it's not suitable for the children's cells.
Yes, you're right, Vishnu, because vaccine is also like a medicine, and any medicine which is made, it is tried on different types of people. Okay, beta. But in this pandemic, since maximum danger was to the old people, working people, they did the trial on old and working people. And they said younger people stay home. So no trials have been done on young people. That means children below 18 years of age. There is no data available. So if there is no data available, can we give unknown vaccine to young people like you? We don't know the side effects.
No, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Harsha Bete. So since we do not have data, information, if we give it to young Harsh or to Shreya or Vaishnavi, you are so young, no trials have been done, and your body is growing up. So there is a danger because we don't know. So now scientists have done trials on young people like you, and having given those to 57 crore people, we know this is safe. So now children will also get. Okay, beta? And remember, there is a big difference between a dose and medicine. What can
Yes,
some
sir.
bolo, Harsh, beta, bolo? Harsh,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between medicine and vaccine? ओके देखो, जो मेडिसिन होती है ना, वो केवल बीमार लोगों को दी जाती है. किसी को हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है, मेडिसिन. किसी को शुगर है, किसी को कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, किसी को टीबी है. एंड द पीपल हु आर सिक आर स्मॉल नंबर्स. बट वैक्सीन इज गिवन टू मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल, एवरीबॉडी. सो द साइड इफेक्ट, if it happens to whole country, it is very dangerous. You see the difference, beta? Today, if Harsh makes a new medicine, let's say for kidney failure, it will be only given to those few people who have a kidney problem. So if they have side effects, it is only for small number of people who have a kidney disease, and in that, a small number of people who took the medicine invented by Harsh. But vaccine is given to everybody. So where is the chances of more danger of side effects? Vaccine, because you give it to everybody. So it's for this reason, with vaccine, we are very, very careful. So now children will also get it very, very soon. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Shabash. So, all right. So, last 2 minutes. Shall we, before we close, I request everybody to switch on their cameras and we can say goodbye and we will meet next Sunday. Is that fine? So, Vishnu, switch on. Anish, bete, camera on karo. Vishnu on karo. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, bete. Yes.
Sir, I want to show you something.
Yeah, show, bete. Show. We are all ready, waiting for you. Anish, camera on karo, bete. Okay, Vishnu, we are ready. Show us.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Vishnu.
Sir, can you see the ball?
I can't see, bete, anything from your screen, from your camera.
Sir, his camera is off.
हाँ बेटे, बट आई डोंट नो. आप हर्ष, आप बोलो ना उसे कैमरा ऑन करने के लिए, बोलो.
Camera is on.
No bete, we can't see you, so maybe we will see next. Keep things ready, Vishnu, bete. We will see next. Okay.
We can see only a little person.
Ah, yes bete, yes. All right, Vishnu. All right, so let's close today's call. Shall we close today's gupshup?
Yes, sir.
हर्ष, आप बोर तो नहीं हुए बेटे?
No, sir.
Okay, very good बेटे. All right, श्रेया बेटे, आपको कैसे लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर.
आपको इंग्लिश ठीक लगी? You are happy with English?
Yes sir.
Very good. Vaishnavi, bring your brother, your friends, all of you bring your brothers and your neighbors and your friend and tell them. Okay,
Yes,
bete?
surely.
All of you are welcome, bete. So, bete, with your permission, shall we stop today's session?
Yes sir.
Bete? All right. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye sir. Thank you sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.